In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a project inside of Supabase. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, first things first, we need to head on over to supabase.com and assign into our account. Then from there, go ahead and go to your dashboard. Now, once we're inside of our dashboard, we can go ahead and click onto our project. So you're probably going to have your name or your email address here. Just click the drop down menu and find the project you'd like to delete. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to use this one here. Now, in order to delete it, we need to pay attention to the left hand side. We've got these different tabs. Go ahead and click into project settings. And now on the right, scroll down to the bottom of the page and then also got the option to delete project. But be mindful, deleting this project will also remove your database, so make sure you've made a backup if you want to keep your data. So you simply click on delete project, and now a little pop-up is going to appear like this, and this says this will permit delete that project and all of its data. Please type in this to confirm. So basically you got to put in the project name in here to confirm, and now simply click on I understand, delete this project. But as it states here, this action cannot be undone, so keep that in mind before you delete. Alright, so there we go. It should say here, successfully deleted your project, and now it's going to take you back to this page here when we start creating new projects.